today, Toma,
Okay.
we have got something very exciting.
Yeah.
Please don't copy me.
I just
And we're gonna show it to you right now.
Yeah.
Are you ready for it, guys?
That's the whole.
The amazing
That's the
thing.
whole point of the video. That
The amazing thing. Are you ready?
Not a pillow.
You're
Now-
just wondering what this is?
You have free
Well,
guesses.
shh.
Free
No,
guesses.
not three guesses.
Not a pillow.
It's not a pillow. It's not a hug thingy.
Not
It's a squishy. A huge squishy.
So show the other side.
The other side has gel on the back.
Gel.
But this feels so good.
Yeah.
This
It's
is
not that
super
slow,
soft and airy. It feels so nice. It looks like a huge cake batter. But let's squish it. This is so
Look at the
awesome.
sheet. You see the
Super
sheet?
soft.
If I
so
put
awesome.
it in, look what happens.
Ah!
It makes a trail.
Oh, Toma, bring me my
Another squishy.
Yeah, I'm gonna compare it. Oh,
This is gross.
okay. Here's the other squishy. I know it's very defected. Very defected. Wait, hold this. It's very defected. Here, I put tape on it. And see all those defects.
Faccia, se
No
ne
stem.
muovi dal camera.
Okay.
And the box. Oh, and out.
Defected. Super defected. The stem's not here. The color's going out. And there's a huge hole here because I took out the eye pin. And the leaves are super defected. And it's just horrible. But it smells really good. It smells like vanilla. Look, right now there's apples near us. And I smell apples and peaches. Here it is compared. This is the normal size strawberry. It's not really cool or anything. Or I bloom. It's just a strawberry.
And Mr.
squishy.
Steck
It's
is
not
saying
icing.
hi.
Toma. And here, let's squish it. And now let's squish this.
You want that, but guys? Okay.
Toma. Here it is.
You dropped the apple.
Very squishy. And now let's squish this. Now let's give it a big squish. Yeah.
And when you put your foot on it, it has good feelings.
Now I'm gonna jump on it.
Uh-oh.
Nah, it rises too fast. Very squishy. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos to watch on my channel, please subscribe and comment down below. Have you ever seen anything as big as this? Squishy right here. Bye. Thanks for watching.